Everyone. This is Team Caffeine, and we will be giving you a demonstration of our FSE project. So I'll be launching. So this project is related to client and server communication on network protocol. So I will launch a server and client later. So we are using Dub to launch the code, and I am running it on localhost. So after entering the IP address and port, the server is waiting for a client. And I will launch another client as well. So now our two client has been launched, and I hope my two screens are visible now. So the purpose of this project is so that multiple clients can join and they can draw simultaneously. So we can see that two clients can draw, and if any one of them draws, another is able to see it. So initially we had implemented this project using GTK and SDL, but there are some problems while running it on Mac. So we switched it completely from GTK SDL to GTK and Cairo. Now Monil will be giving an introduction about the features which we have implemented.
Hi, this is Monil here. So the first feature which we have implemented is the color picker. So if you go on color tab, we provide you with a palette of different colors instead of just providing three fixed colors. So you can choose your combination among these. Next is you can change the brush size. You can increase or decrease the brush size of your strokes. So as you can see, that will make a thicker brush stroke. Also, if you go on the actions tab, we have provided an option for eraser where you can erase certain parts of your drawing, um, and that erase action will be consistent across all the clients. You can also increase and decrease the brush size for eraser as well. Next is we provide the option of clearing the canvas. So rather than erasing part of the drawing, you can completely erase everything you have already made. Also, one of the feature is that we provide an option of loading a background image. So if you see the initial drawing which was loaded on the screen, this is a background image. So you can upload any image of your choice and make changes on that. Next, Aiyappa will explain the history saving things for different clients.
Hey everyone, this is Aiyappa here. So you've already seen that actions made across one canvas, one client's canvas are consistent across multiple client canvases. I'll quickly be talking about how the history of a client is also preserved. So if a client joins after there have been some paint actions already performed, the client will receive those. So as you can see, Sujeet has just drawn something. Now if you can just start another client. Sujeet. Yeah, as you can see, the third client also has whatever has been drawn previously by the other two clients. Now there's also a undo and a redo feature, which is consistent across all clients. So any client can undo a drawing made by another client, and similarly for redo. Yeah, as you can see here, the undo is undoing across all canvases. Similarly, the redo will also redo across all canvases. That's it for me. I'll be handing it over to Lalit to talk more about the project structure and code. Thank you.
Hello, this is Lalit, and I'm going to be talking about how our code is structured. So basically, we have created multiple classes. This one is app.d, and this is the main entry point to our program. Apart from that, we have various other files. The next one I would like to talk about is the drawing area. So this is implemented using the singleton design pattern, and this is one of the main design patterns we have used throughout in this project. And this consists of various classes, one of which can be seen here, which is the box, and this is mainly the drawing area. And we have the main utility for actually segregating into multiple classes is to make testing much easier. And next one is the color picker. This class is used for the functionality of picking various colors from the palette, which was shown by Monil. And next we can head to the menu bar. This has the titles for the items which were shown in the menu bar, such as the brush size, color, actions menu, etc. So this is just the basics of how we had designed it, and this is the test file which is created, but yet not yet tested. So these have various tests which have been written, one for redo, one for the eraser, one for emptying the whiteboard, and we have also tested the connection data and undo redo features. So this was implementing using unit tests. And apart from this, I would like to just talk about the future implementations. One of which is that when we draw really quickly on the whiteboard, there's actually some gaps between the lines. So I think we'll need to work on that in the future to better the project. And apart from that, we'd also like to implement a universal chat functionality between between the server and all of its clients.
So that was the
Thank,
end of our demo, and hope you enjoyed the demo. That's all from our side. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
thank you guys. Thank you.